How to enable Binance Authenticator via Binance app. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. Launch Binance application on a device and log into your account. Now tap on Binance logo at top left to open the menu. Now tap on your name at top of the screen to access your account info. Then you have to choose security option. You will land on this two-factor authentication section where you need to tap on Authenticator or Authenticator app. Tap on Enable button at bottom of the screen. Now enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address. Now simply copy and paste the verification code that has been sent to your address and tap on Continue or Submit. And after that, you simply need to copy the 16-digit key or scan the QR code provided. Open Authenticator app and select scan QR code or enter setup key. Paste the 16-digit key or scan the QR code and tap continue. Once setup is complete, copy the generated code from the Authenticator app, return to Binance and paste the code in the text box. Then tap submit. So, due to privacy, I am not showing this process, but you can easily follow the prompts or the steps that is shown or told on this video and you will successfully enable Binance Authenticator via Binance app. So that's it. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.